I hope you will be voting for me on the 2nd of May. Vote Mohammed Asif, independent candidate for the GLA. My name is Mohammed Asif. I am standing as a representative for the GLA in the forthcoming elections on the May 2nd for Havering and Redbridge. What I'm standing for and the pledges are that there will be greater accountability of the mayor and his policies, such as ULEZ, as to why the expansions are taking place and the cost and impact that's having on residents. Second of all, more funding for police so we have lower crime and people feel safer on the streets. And thirdly, I want to make sure that we have better housing, a more diverse housing, so people can afford to live in London. These are my three pledges for local residents here. And overarching is the Gaza situation. That thousands of people have marched on the streets and they do not feel that current political parties represent them, which is why I'm standing as an independent to be able to give voice to their concerns about the humanitarian issue and the case of genocide that's taking place in Palestine. These are my main issues. So I hope you will be voting for me on the 2nd of May. Vote Mohammed Asif, independent candidate for the GLA.